Hello, welcome back to Cray Outdoors. Today's video is another compilation video. Those of you that follow my channel know that I was living on a wilderness lake in Virginia for the better part of 2021. During that time, there was a lot of days where I just went down to the lake and took a couple casts after work, that kind of a thing. And also when I first started out there, when I first moved in, of course, any new body of water like that, it takes a while to learn it. Especially Lake Moomaw is actually a very large lake, and although it's excellent fishing for bass and trout and catfish and stuff, being a big body of water, it's not a place that you can figure out in a short amount of time like you can a small pond or a small stream. So my first like 5-6 trips out, even when I fished a whole couple of days on my kayak, I didn't catch much of anything until I started really learning things midsummer. But anyway, today's video is just a compilation of all the fish from Lake Moomaw where I lived that didn't make it into a video. Down. It's decent. Yeah, small, whatever it is. Is that catfish? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Trout! Ah! Oh, beautiful. Okay, that's a cool catch. That's a dang cool catch. I wasn't expecting that. What kind of trout are you? I think you're a brown. Yeah, it definitely looks like a stocked fish. It's a little bit bigger. Of course, it went into my other line. Another eater-sized gill. Alright, I see you. I see you. It's another eater-sized gill, some swallowed it too, which means this one might be food. It's a little bit bigger. It's just another gill. It's a lighter one though. Is it a sunfish this time? Nope, another bluegill. This lake is loaded with bluegills. Oh no, I got this pole going now. That pole almost went in the dang water. It's just a bluegill, but it's one of those bigger ones. I noticed that the bobber was gone. Bigger bluegill. I almost took the whole trout rod right into the water. First fish of the day. Scared the jeepers out of me. Oh man, thing hit right in front of me. And you're gonna be a mess getting you in the boat. The joy of having treble hooks. Whew. Fish jumping in this area, so right back to the good old-fashioned original floating Rapala. Ow! You know it's gonna happen eventually. This thing is a minute. Ow! You stabbed the F out of me. Well, it's my first smallmouth on the lake in my backyard. Ow! He got up my hand. He put that treble hook in my hand in like 3 different places. Our setup worked. We are off. I've got a trout rod with me and 2 bass rods. So I'm going to start off just casting around the trout rod, because why not? Fish of the day. I got a little bluegill. Fish on the first cast, not a big one, but hey, a fish is a fish. Just using this little Castmaster trout spoon. I'm kind of surprised that I caught this thing. Alright, Mr. Bluegill. Another bluegill. Not what we wanted. But it's better than getting skunked, right? Cool, there's a rope swing, and this is easy paddling distance from the house. Whoa, finally got one. It's about dang time I hooked one.
Wait, I got that.
Oh, okay, I can probably lick them. I can almost. He's not hooked super great. I got him. Alrighty, it's a largemouth.
Nice.
I was just telling Liam just caught he's been catching bluegill and sunfish in through here one after another, and I haven't caught anything in a while, but I did miss one of these underneath that rope swing down there. Alright, buddy. There he goes. There we go. Feels like a good one, too. Of course, it's gotta be the one that's right in between all my other rods. On the cut bait was the winner tonight. Oh no, did it come off? No, it's still on there. It made a run at me. That's a good fish. Doesn't seem to be in my other lines yet, fortunately. I think it went right underneath them. It's a good fish. I don't have a net, so I'm gonna just try and beach him. 15-pound leader. It's not that good of a fish. Not bad though. On the cut bait. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Cut bait was tonight's winner. Oh my goodness, it's got another one. This one feels a bit smaller. And it just got bigger. Guessing this one must be a bullhead. Yep. You are indeed a bullhead. Alright, well, my other line's doing something now too. We're gonna go ahead and eat him. I don't got a ton of food this week. Fish of the day. Oh, and it's a jumper. Might be a pickerel. I think it's a pickerel. It's a pickerel. No, it's a bass. Skinny smallmouth. This is not a super easy place to land fish. Whoa! Yeah, that's not good. I should not have stepped there. I mean, this is a disaster. All round disaster. Sorry, fish. We got them all up in the mud, but as you can see, we didn't have much of a choice. It's about a skinny 14, 15 incher. I'll take it as a start. That's a fish. Or a turtle. Oh, it's a fish. It's going too fast to be a turtle all of a sudden. Cut bait worked. Hello. Hello, Mr. Catfish. Cool. He wasn't hooked bad either. Like I thought he was going to be. Alright, well, you know, not a huge one. I was hoping to catch something big on that cut bait, but hey, I'll take it. It's a catfish. Alright, start to the day. Let you go, buddy. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was absolutely awesome getting to live on that beautiful lake in Virginia. Be sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video, and we'll catch you in the next adventure.